Got my girl here with me today, my emotional support, and then we're gonna do some stretching. I have had like 4 or 5 days break, and I overdid it doing it every day. So if you're just gonna start doing stretching and stuff, I suggest starting it slow and not all at once. So I'm gonna give you guys a nice background today. Come here, like she's kind of already walked this whole park, kind of like not the whole park, but that side right there. She was walking all over the place already. Now she's tired already now and she wants to go in the car already. But I'm just starting to get ready here. So let's get ready. Let's do some stretching. Okay, just gonna have to watch her a little bit so that, where can I put this up? Let's go over here, Shelby. Come on, come with mom. Here we go. Here we go, here we go, here we go now. Here we go. Shelby, coming to help mama? Come on. She could come help mama. All right. You gonna help me? All right, Shelby, you wanna stretch with mama? All right. All right. You want to stretch? All right. Go like this. All right. We're going to do it together. Okay? Stretch. 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 Shelby. Stretching? Okay. And I'm not going to do too much on my upper body because that's what I did last time. This shoulder is a bad one. So I'm just going to stretch. Not as much. Just kind of stretching my neck. Okay, we're getting down. We're getting down. All right. All right, you go ready? All right, let's go. Come here. Come here. Come over here. Hey, come over here. Come here. Okay. I know this is child's play, but this hurts my foot already. In my back, my leg, I can feel this. You know, I gotta start somewhere. Can't be embarrassed about it either. You know, COVID did all of us in, right? Even my doggy. All right, let's go. Let's do some leg workouts here. And my doggy. It's a poor doggy. It's a poor doggy. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, we're gonna do 7 today. All right, now do another one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, look at that! I'm under a pine tree. That's cool. The long fir pine. My baby. It's my baby over here. My big baby. You love mama? Oops. Okay. Oh, that was fun. That was fun. Oh, man. She came to lay down with me there. Look at that. Oh, you couldn't see that well. Yeah, she came closer to me and she let me use her like this so I can do my exercises. So my support doggy. Mm-hmm. Oh, you can't do two. I'm holding her. She can help me up. Oh. And you're helping mommy. You ready to go home? You ready to go home? You ready to go home? Okay, we can't do it too much because mommy gets sore too. Okay, let's go home. All right. She's my helping me today. Hope you enjoy this video. God bless you and God's on you much abundance and love and happiness. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.